Hi GTV, it's Allie. Today I'm here with founder and CEO of TCP Lighting, Ellis. Welcome.
Great, so happy to be here.
I'm very happy too.
Yes.
So to begin, can you tell me a little bit about TCP and what separates you from your competition?
Oh, TCP is a leading manufacturer of the LED lighting products. The difference what we do compared to other people is we're very vertically integrated. In other words, we start with a light source, which we manufacture LED chips, all the way to a finished product. And we manufacture, we design, we deliver products to the market. Personally, I love to making things. I love to make those light bulbs. I love to using my hands to make things happen. That makes us extremely unique because these days sometimes people are not really making things,
right.
But we still do, and we still make every single light bulbs we bring to you and you.
I see here today we're talking about the new Starlight Series.
Yes.
What can you tell me about this new series?
This is a very unique series because people always say light bulbs is a boring stuff. But you know what? We can change that. That's why we make those lights in a very unique, colorful way and the look. And make sure people will really enjoy those lights in their home, in their office, in all applications.
So why did you choose the name Starlight?
Because we always look at what makes us get very excited. The future. For instance, Star Trek.
True.
Those unique space thing, then how we make that into a product version. It's just like a spaceship in lighting.
What can you tell me about this specific model?
This is specific model. We have 4 different sizes, okay? The reason is you have a big area, you have a small area. So what you're holding in your hand is the largest one, which has 8 inches wide. That means we'll distribute as much light out as possible. We also have a small, nice little ones here, okay? Which using a small area, for instance, a small room. Or you want to focus in a small area in a big room, then you need that little cute one here. But that tries to make sure all the Starlight series able to cover all the applications in different area and different size and a different purpose.
What makes the Starlight series unique compared to other lights out there?
Oh, sure. Because everybody knows light bulbs, right? Light bulbs has been here for 130 years. But light bulb today is a little bit different because our house, our applications, our environment is a little bit different. We require very special lights for us. For instance, this Starlight what we have here is we want to make sure we deliver lights downwards. Downwards, okay? So we want to make sure the lights will be equally distributed. So if you look at the curve we put together here, that means the lights will go this way and that way very evenly. That's the uniqueness of the Starlight.
Can you show us?
Oh, sure, absolutely, okay? If you look at these lights right now, let me turn it on. Okay, look at how even the light being distributed. Also look at it on the table, how nice. The light's able to downlight to every single area here. Look at the different, a big one, the small one, the color one here, they all look absolutely beautiful. Because for us, how do we consider is the best light source? Is the light has to be very smooth and evenly distributed to the objects and to the surface.
And those are also dimmable, right?
Yes, look at what I'm holding here. I have a dimmer here, so let me dim this product slowly and nicely. You can see how even it is, how even, how low it gets. It's just a beautiful, comfortable light.
Beautiful. So, where do you see these lights working well in application-wise?
Okay, obviously, this is what we call, this has three applications we try to cover. Number one application is simply if you have a ceiling, in any ceiling, if you have a socket over there, all you have to do is using the big one in your hand, just screws in your socket in the ceiling. All of a sudden, your ceiling has a beautiful, what we call a ceiling light.
Okay.
That's the first application. Okay? The second application is you also can, we have lots of recess can in our office and also in our house. Those recess can, there's a hole in it. We give you extender here, you can screw this one into the recess can, cover the hole and convert that into the flash mount. The third application is very unique because as you know, right now, one of the very popular lighting products we call pendant light.
Okay.
The pendant light is you have the wire hanging from the ceiling, okay, like 1/3 down, and then you put a light source right there, so shining down. For instance, you can see that in the restaurant or in your house.
Yep.
For instance, in your kitchen, you have a pendant light coming down.
Right.
So when you have this wire coming down in the middle, you can screw this one in. For instance, we also provide you what we call the accessories here, okay? Let me open up this accessory so you can see what I'm talking about here, okay? This is the right one. Actually, as you can see here, in this line, we provide 5 different colors here. Red, blue, green. Everybody likes the green. Also, we have black and silver. So we have to give you 5 different options and 4 different sizes from the 4 inches to 8 inches. Now let's look at how this pendant light looks. So look at this one. This is how we go to the ceiling.
Oh yeah,
Right.
so there's the hanging light.
Okay?
Yep.
And this wire is adjustable. You can pull from the inside here. So make this wire is adjustable. So this one to the ceiling, and then the other side is this socket. Okay? Let's just say I shorten the wire a little bit to the ceiling, and here's the socket. Now, will you help me to screw this light bulb in?
Of course. All right. Oh, very easy.
Very
Yes.
easy.
There you
Look,
go.
here we
5
go,
seconds.
guys. 5 seconds.
Wow.
Then the accessories, this wires we call the pendant right here, will match the color. If it's red, match the red. If it's the blue, we'll give you the blue. If you have black ones, you're holding a black ones in your hand. You see here?
Boop.
It's the black one. And look at how beautiful it is. It's just great. I just love it.
That's awesome.
I just love it.
You can kind of string them along if you need to.
Exactly.
and
It's
just do whatever you
adjustable.
want.
Adjustable, okay?
Yeah. Beautiful.
And then let's say we put a big one in there, see how it works, okay? Let's
Okay.
put this one back. It has to match the color, okay? The red has to match the red. So let's put the red on it, okay? Look, how beautiful.
Oh yeah.
You see what I mean? Just imagine if you're using this one in the restaurant hanging down, or in the different office space hanging down, or in your house. Look, even distribution of the light. And it looks very futuristic,
Yes, very modern.
very modern light.
Awesome.
I tell you, Thomas Edison will get so excited about this light if he's still here today.
He would. I
Yes.
want those in my office.
Oh, great. I think that this is just the beginning of what we do. We continually, the TCP focus on 2 things. One, what we call the LED light source. How we able to provide the light source. The second thing TCP is doing extremely well is we design the structure of the light source. How make those light fixture or design very modern, very exciting for, you know, for people with a different taste. That's
Right.
why we give people different colors here.
Yeah.
That's our strength. We'll continue to do so to make sure people able to enjoy our lives. And I guarantee you, you will love it.
Yes, these are great because no more boring light bulbs.
No more.
No
more
more.
boring light
No
bulbs.
more boring light bulbs.
The boring light bulbs is history right now.
Definitely.
Okay. TCP today is offering everybody exciting lights. Very, very exciting. You see, lights has to have 3 elements. Number 1, the light source itself has to be good. In other words, has to be efficient, okay? Energy conservation efficiency.
Right,
The
that's
second,
important.
it's important. That's very important. That's why we're using the LED lights. The second thing is very important is how we distribute the lights. The third thing is the look.
You can find the entire Starlight series and more from TCP at galco.com.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Ellis, for coming in today.
Thank you for inviting me today.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Yeah.